Problem 3487, maximum unique subarray sum after deletion. So with this deletion, we can remove any number we want. So the solution will be we can figure out the unique number of in this array. We turn this list into a set, then back into a list to make it a unique array. After that, we want to find out the maximum number in the array. If the maximum number in the array is a negative number, then we just pick that one. That will be the sum, the maximum sum of a subarray. Otherwise, we can find out a subarray with all the positive number.